Hello guys, Game Changers back again with my second video, and I know I've already showed you this, but it stopped working and now it's working again. So here's how to get Stardew Valley completely free, no jailbreak or PC. Let's get into it. Okay, so we are making this video slightly backwards. I'm going to show you what you got to do once you install it, and just to prove that the app is working. That's why I'm doing it this way. So you want to go down to General once you've installed it, Profiles and Device Management, tap there, and then you want to trust it. Then you can go off of your settings, go back to the app, and it should load up. As you can tell, it is loading up now. You'll see that it's completely working. You might get one or two ads at the beginning, but once you're actually playing the game, no other ads pop up. It's only when you start up the actual game. So like, I am going to leave it normal ways how it is right now because that's the way I recorded it. This little ad here, it does pop up in the bottom corner saying no thanks. You just tap on that and then you can crack on. Obviously I've not played it before. I made a profile back in when I first made this video, but obviously I deleted that to show an updated version, so I will have to make a new profile and start again. But anyway, as you can see, I'm customizing my character. It does all work. Once you get through this, you start the game like you normally would if you paid for the game. You won't get any ads apart from when you first launch the app, which is great, rather than most apps where as soon as you do certain things or as soon as you go off and back on, you'll get ads popping up all the time. That is pretty annoying. I agree with you all, I feel it. It is annoying. Comment down below if you think I should look for some ad blockers and make some videos on them, obviously to get rid of these ads. I know it helps the developers by using the ads, but obviously once we've done it a few times it gets annoying and you don't want to do it anymore, so ad blockers will come in handy if I can find some of those that work. But yeah, as you can tell, I'm just customizing the character. This is all my proof that it does work. What should we name it? Game? No, we'll call myself Farmer Game, because that's me, Game Changers. Now I'm Farmer Game. And then we'll call the farm games Farm. I'm going to end this part here, and then we're going to go into how to actually get to the point where you download the app. So guys, as per usual, you will want to go to the link down in the description below. It will take you to the website that I am currently on right now. It will be a Royal Oils link. Again, I'm sorry for this. I am currently trying to make a bit of currency. Obviously Christmas is coming up and I got to pay back a couple of friends. There's a lot going on at the moment. I am only 150 hours away from monetization, so as soon as that goes through, there will be no more Royal Oils for you guys. But as you can see, this website has got a ton of stuff, apps, hacked apps, hacked games, jailbreaks, tweaked apps, emulators, screen recorders, pretty much everything that you're going to need. So it's simple. You don't have to actually download this to your home page. It's just a website. So obviously you want to go onto the App Store section, search for Stardew Valley, and then start installing it. As you can see now, it is installing. So yeah, that's pretty much the end of the video, guys. Don't forget to comment, subscribe, and like if you did enjoy this video, and I will catch you in the next one.